Yeah, children. So, compound interest reversals we were doing, children. This is part number 6, children. Video number 6. So, till now we were doing five videos. We have studied enough number of sums, children. So, little bit fast and go from today onwards, children, because we have did so many sums, children. Okay. What sum principal we have to find will amount to rupees 4913 in a time interval of 18 months at the rate of 12.5%, at the rate of 12.5%. Okay, children. So this is the question. At the rate of 12.5%, compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly. Vedant, you need help to this sum?
It's a
Yeah.
amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T.
Okay.
Sir, 4913 is equal to P into 1 plus 25 by 2, 25 by 400 will come, sir.
So 25 by 4 we should take because half yearly we
Half
should take
yearly.
25
25 by
by
400.
whole to the power of in 18 months. How many half years?
Sir, in 18 months, 6 half
3.
years.
3 half years.
3 half
In
years.
18 months, 3 half years are there. So 4913 is equal
3
to
is
P
equal to
into
425 by 400 cube.
25 16s are 25 17s are. Am I correct? 25 on the 25. Yeah, 25. So,
Yes, sir, correct.
yeah, 4913 is equal to P into 17 into L.
P into 17 into 17 by 16 into 16 into 16.
This
16
goes
cube,
up, this
16
goes
cube will
down.
come, go up and 17 cube will come down.
So 17 cube, I think 17 cube is 4913 only. Someone please check.
Sir, answer is
Yeah, answer is how much?
4096.
That is 4913 only.
4096 because this and this gets cancelled. 16 16 get
4096. 16
256.
cube is 4096. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
4096 rupees is the sum he lent to children. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
children. Okay, all of you are listening. I think. Yeah, next chance will go to Pravalika. Pravalika, can you please tell me?
Yes,
Nana?
sir.
Yeah, what sum will amount? What sum will amount to rupees? Yeah, yeah. One second. This is children. So, sum. The difference between compound interest and simple interest is 283.50. The difference between compound interest and simple interest is 283.50. At the rate of 15% per annum, the rate of 15% per annum, the rate of, and for 3 years. This is for 3 years. Okay. Now, Pravalika, can you tell Nana? Compound interest means what, Nana?
Amount minus principal.
Yeah, tell Nana. Keep saying.
283.50.
What is amount? Amount means what?
P of 1 plus R by 100 into N minus PTR by 100 is equal to 283.5.
Okay. So principal we should find out. So 1 plus R is how much? Tell Nana substitution. Tell. Yeah,
Sir,
you're not telling me.
P of 115 by 100 whole to the power of 3 minus P minus P into
40 by 5 by 100. Children, 45 by 100 is 0.45 children. And P into, this is 1.15 whole cube minus P minus 0.45 P is equal to 283.5. Can anyone say 1.15 whole cube is how much, children? Anyone? 1.15 whole cube. Children, 1.15 whole cube I want. Anyone? Help
Sir,
me.
1.5208.
1.5208. 0.
0875.
875.
1.520.
0875.
1.520875, correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus P minus 0.45 P is equal to 283.50. Okay, children. So this you see, children. This is one children. If nothing is there, means one children. So this minus this 1.520875
It is 5
P.
point.
0.520875.
This minus
0.52.
minus 1.45 p children. Please see children, all of you. Minus 1 minus 4.5 is 1.45. Minus 1 minus 0.45 is this. Can anyone say the subtraction between these both? 1.
0.070875.
0.070875.
Correct.
Now, if I bring this down,
Yes.
children, if I bring down P is equal to 283.50 by 0.070875. Can you tell me this calculation and how much? Or final answer also?
Sir, 4,000.
4,000 rupees. 4,000 rupees. Thank you. So, Kavalika, the sum amount is 4,000 rupees. Okay, children, sixth question. Sixth question. Okay. One, two, third question. This is third question. Nandika, third question is your sum. Rachana borrowed certain sum at the rate of 15% per annum. If she paid at the end of 2 years, time 2 years, 1290 as interest. Compound interest is 1290 as compound interest. Find the sum borrowed. Compound interest is 1290. Yeah. Nandika, can you tell me how to do the sum?
Yes, sir. Amount
Yeah, amount is equal to
principal. No, sir.
compound interest
Compound
is
interest is equal to amount minus principal.
equal. Okay, keep saying.
Compound interest is 1290 is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n minus P. 1290 is equal to P into 1 plus 15 by 100 whole square minus P. 115 square minus P. X.
Okay, 1.15 into 1.15. Vedant, 1.15 into 1.15.
Sir, 13,225 is 115 square.
13,225.
Yes, sir. Is 115 square.
One. So 1.3225 because by 100 is there. No?
Yes, sir.
So 1290 is equal to P. If you take
Equal
common
to
one,
1, 2,
instead of P, I take
minus 1. P is equal to 0.3225. P is equal to
Sir, P is equal to 4,000 again.
4,000 rupees. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah, very good. So like this children, you should do now how I'm doing reverse sums. Please, all of you, please do children. Do practice. If you don't do practice again on Sunday, it will become difficult for you to practice one day all the sums. Children. Day by day, whatever sums I'm telling you, please practice immediately, children. Don't waste time. This is my kind request. Okay, children. Next, next, who has to say next? Harsha. Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Principal is 2,000. Is compounded annually at the rate of 4% per annum. Find the time in which compound interest will become 163.20 rupees.
The compound interest is equal to amount minus principal.
Okay, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Yeah.
163.20 is equal to amount is equal to P plus 1 by 4 by 100 whole power
This
n.
is 2,000. No? This is 2,000 principal. 2,000 into 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power of n.
Whole power n, sir.
Minus
Minus 2,000.
This 2,000 I will send here. How much it will become?
Sir, 1,600, 163.20 plus 2,000 is equal to 2,000 into 1 plus 4 by 104 by 100 whole power n.
This I will bring down.
Sir, 2163.20 by 2,000 is equal to 104
1
by
point. Sir, 1 point.
If I remove this point, 2 zeros.
2 zeros.
This will go. So you get 2.
Sir, the answer is
1632 by
2,
20,000.
1, 2, 3, 4. 2 tens are, 2 eights are, 2 ones are, 2 six are. So this is 104 by 100 whole to the power of n. So this is 10816 by 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 104 by 100 whole to the power of n. Who is talking now? What is that?
Sir,
One man.
10816 is 104, root 10816 is 104, and that is 100.
104 into 104 is 104 whole square by 100 whole square is 104 whole square is 10186. 100 whole square is 10,000 is equal to 104 by 100 whole to the power of n. When base are same, what can be compared? N is equal to 2 years.
Yes.
Okay, children, please, now all of you should practice like this, children. You should have common sense. Just with common sense, I'm doing. I don't know that 104 into 104 is 10 equals 6. I don't know. But just if you use your common sense, you'll understand, children. Full heart and soul should be in max. Then only you'll understand. Yeah, Nana. According to your okay, next, Sujit. Sujit, are you there, Nana? In how much time would the rupees 5,000? Sujit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
In how much time would rupees 5,000 amounts to 6655 at the rate of 10% per annum compound interest? Okay. Here, Nana, can you tell how to do this? Amount formula?
Amount formula is equal to principal 1 plus r by 100 into 2 into n.
Okay, tell 6655.
665
Okay.
is 1 plus 10 by 100 into n. 6655 by 500 is equal to 110 by 100 into n.
Okay. So 5 ones are 5 threes are 5 threes are 5 ones are 1331 by 1000. Nana, Sujit, can you tell me 1000 is whose cube, Nana?
10.
10 cube. 1331 is whose cube, Nana? Whose cube
11.
is? Very good, Nana. Very good. Super. 11 by 10 whole cube is equal to 11 by 10. And children, when base are same, parts can be compared. Very good, Sujit. I'm really impressed. So in 3 years, 5,000 will become 6655. Very good, Sujit. Next, Raghuram, Nana. So, Raghuram, are you ready, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, question is, one second. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So question is, in what time will 4400 becomes 4576 at the rate of 8% per annum compounded half yearly? Nana, you can tell half. Hey, yeah, tell Nana.
Sir, amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N. 4576 is equals to 4000 into 4400 into 1 plus sir 4 is 4 by 100 whole to the power N. Sir.
Wait. 8 by 2 is 4. 8 by 2 because per annum half year. Yeah. 4 by 100.
4 by 100 whole to the power N.
Nana, Raghuram, what is that sound, Nana?
Sir, some construction is
Okay,
going.
Nana. Okay, sorry. Yeah, tell Nana. 4576 by
4576 is by 4400 is equals to 104 by 100 N.
Okay. So what we will do, Nana? So we will do 41100. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 4s are 4 4s are. So how much it is coming then? 1144 by
4 by
110.
0 is equals to 104 by 100 whole to the power N.
So what we will do? 11104. 104 by 100 whole to the power of 1.
104 by 100 whole to the power of N is equals to 1.
N is equal to 1 means what? Time is how much? Time.
6 months.
Very good. Because half-yearly N is 1 we got. So 6 months, children. Very good, Raghuram. N is equal to 6 months. Congrats. Very good. N is equal to 6 months, children, because we got 1 half year. 1 half year means 6 months. 1 half year means 6 months. Yes, next, according to hierarchy, Anum, are you there? The difference between simple interest and compound interest is, the difference between compound interest and simple interest is 20 rupees for 2 years, at the rate of 4% per annum, children. Okay, this is the Anu,
No,
are you
sir,
there?
Anum is not.
Anam is not there. Rishikesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no. The difference between compound interest and simple interest is 20 for 2 years at the rate of 4% per annum. Okay.
Sir, we should substitute compound interest with
Find the principal.
yes, sir.
Tell them.
P into compound interest is equals to P into
Yes.
A minus P minus
Compound
PTR by
interest is A
100.
minus P. Compound interest means A minus P.
A
Simple
minus
interest
P.
PDR. Yeah. Amount means P into
P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n minus P minus PTR by 100 is equals to 20.
Yeah, Nana, tell them. Please.
P is equals to P 1 plus 4 by 100 whole to the power 2 minus P into 4 into 2 by 100 into 100 is equals to 20.
Okay. P is equal to 1
P is equal to 104 by 100 whole to the power 2 minus
8 by
P
100.
yes sir, 0.08 by 0.08. P is equals to 20. Then
Sir,
0.08 P and minus P we can.
Yeah, can anyone help me? 104 into 104. How much?
yes, sir. 1.0816.
Minus P. Children, this is 1. Minus 1 minus this is minus 1.08.
Minus
1.08.
Can anyone help me? Difference between these both? 1.0816 and this is
Sir,
0.0.
Sir,
0.0016 is equals to 20. P is equals to 20 by 0.0016.
0016.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4 by 16.
6 by 16. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then 10 and so 18. Sir,
1, 2, 3,
one
4.
Sir,
second,
it is
sir. 1 second.
12,500.
Yes, sir. 12,500.
12,500 rupees is the principal. Thank you. Thank you. Next after Rishikesh. Meghana. Meghana, are you there, Nana?
Yes, sir.
I'm telling the question. See. In how much time will, 1 second, in what time will 1,000 rupees will amount to 1331? 1331 rupees. 1331 rupees at the rate of 10% per annum. Nana, can you say that? 10% per annum compound interest. Yeah, Nana?
Yes, sir. Compound interest is equal to
No, amount give, directly give amount.
amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. That 13 is 1,000 into 1 plus 100 whole to the power of n.
Nana, Meghana. Nana, Meghana, wait. Nana, your mic is not good and your internet is not good. Nana. Your sound is not coming clear. We just listen. I will ask next to me. No problem. Hansika, can you tell this sum? Zero zero one, children. So 1331 by 1,000 is equal to 11 by 10 whole to the power of 10. Children, 11 cube is 1331. 10 cube is 1,000. No problem, Meghana. Absolutely no problem, Anna. Sometimes it happens. So when base are same powers can be compared. So 3 years is the answer. 3 years is the answer. Hansika, are you there? One second, children. Yeah, children. So next, Vedanta ki give a chance only. Vedanta, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me. At what rate percent compound interest on 640 rupees will amount to 774.40 in 2 years?
Okay, sir. So amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R by 100 to the power t.
Okay.
Amount is equal to 4.40 is equal to 640 into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2. So 640 will come down. 774.40 divided by 640 is equal 100 plus r by 100 whole square.
Okay, so this will be how much? If you remove this point, 77440 by 64020 is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole square. Okay, this is gone. So 7744 by 6400.
Sir, 121.
1 plus, let him tell. Vedant can tell now.
Sir, it will become 1.21 sir, since and I just did.
What, Nana?
Uh,
If you bring this here,
74.40
if you bring this, it will become root 7744 by
4 by 6400. Root 6400 is 80.
so 6400 square root is 80.
80.
7744 square root is
Doing sir.
square root of 7744 children, 82 children, 82.
82.
82 or 88? Check 82 and 88 children fast. Anyone? Check 82 or 84? 88.
88 only sir. I think so.
88, okay, 88 is equal to 1 plus r by 100. Bring here 88 by 80 minus 1 is equal to r by 100. 80 is the LCM. 88 minus 80 is equal to r by 100. Please see here, children.
8 by 100 is
8 by 8 is equal to r by 100. This goes here, children. R is equal to 10%. 10% is the rate of interest. Okay, children, actually, next question. Next. According to hierarchy, Pravalika, your chance. Yeah, Pravalika, are you there? No?
yes sir.
Find the rate of interest again. Find the rate of interest on 2000 amounting to 2662 in 1.5 years at the rate of at compound interest half yearly. Okay, Nana, tell them.
Amount is equal to P of 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N. 2662 is equal to 2000 of 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N.
N is how much? Nana? 1.5 year. How many half years will be there?
3 by
3. 3 half years. This goes down. Tell Nana.
is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of 3.
Okay, 2 1s are 3s are 3s are 1. 1331 is whose cube, Nana?
11, sir.
11 by 10 whole cube is equal to 1 plus r
1
by
plus R by 100 whole to
Oh, cube cancel.
11 by 10 is equal to 1 plus R by 100.
Okay, come this here.
11 by 10 minus 1 is equal to R by 100.
10 is LCM.
R by 100.
So how much you get now?
1 by 10 is equal to R by 100.
This goes here.
110.
Rate of interest is 10%.
10%.
10%. Okay, children. So children, actually I have work now. Tomorrow we'll discuss remaining.